building which have four walls with our future inside. Esteemed judges and all my dear friends, a very pleasant good morning to everyone present over here and watching digitally. I am Shreya Mahakud of Standard 9, a representative of Vikas first of Sambalpur, got an opportunity to put forth my opinion on the topic if I could build a school. School is the epitome of knowledge and excellence and perfection. One should not build a school just for gaining money, but the real aim should be the spread of knowledge. If I would build a school, it would be full of colors, imagination and discoveries of the students. Their knowledge and classes will not be just limited within the four walls, but they will be taken out where they will make their own class and discover more and more things. There will be learners in the form of teachers who will be spreading some knowledge and gaining some. Except educational activities, other extracurricular activity will be given the same importance and respect, so that the students can discover more and more of themselves every day they come to school. An environment will be built in the school which will motivate and encourage them to come to the school the next day. The moral education should be taught to the school in the school which I will make, because beside becoming a knowledgeable and successful person, they should also be a good and kind soul from within. They will be given the most possible facilities to achieve their dreams. The knowledge and dreams will be nurtured. They will be not forced to just read some particular subjects, but they will read their dreams. They will be taught how to achieve their dreams, not only just thinking about them. Last but not least, it will be assured that whenever they step out of the school, they will be a better learner, a better teacher, and a very good citizen and a good soul from within. Thank you.